subscribe it, and comment it. So for this video, we have 2 white shirts. Depend on what your size is, you can buy it. We have 2 glasses of water and a kit of tie-dye. So let's open this tie-dye kit. We have a manual, some materials, and colors. So in this challenge, we will do rock, paper, scissors first, and whoever wins will get a chance to choose the color. So she will go there and turn around, and then the other person will shuffle these colors, and then she will say a number, and whatever number it is, they have to count. Now we will do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoes. So I won, so I will turn over there, and then Diva will shuffle it, and I will say a number, and then it will be mine.
What's your number?
4. I got dark blue. Now it's Diva's turn. So Diva, go over there and stand. What's your color?
What's your number?
4. I got light pink. Now it's your turn, Diva. Go over there. What's your number?
5.
Red. So we did the same thing until we got 4 colors. So I have purple, light blue, dark blue, and black.
I have a light green, the red, and dark pink, and light orange.
So let's see what we have in this. So we have some rubber band strings. We have some gloves. And I think these are some sheets. So I put everything over here, and now I'm going to choose the design. So I'm doing something like this, but not exactly. What will you do?
That's a
So you
surprise.
have to choose only 3 colors from all 4 colors. So I'm choosing these 3. And so let's begin.
These 3 colors.
I tie them up really tightly. I came up by tying them 3 times, and this is how mine looks. So I'm gonna use 3 colors over here, and I think I'm gonna leave this white. But can you give me some hints about your surprise?
Colors looks like this. Help me to right here and here.
So I'm gonna put some water in it. Make sure you shake it well so that the water gets a color. So Diva did the same thing, and that's how her colors came out. What color do you want first, Diva?
This.
Okay. Is this your favorite color?
Yes.
Put it over here. Really nicely. Next color is sea blue. Diva's last color is red, so here. So I want mine to be go from dark to light. So my first color is dark blue.
It looks like very beautiful birds.
The next color is purple. I think Diva is done with her coloring and that's how it came out like. The last color is blue. So this is how we have done it. And we're gonna now dry it. So see you tomorrow. So we dried it up for 12 hours and this is how it looks. I got this color because I crumpled it up and then put it to dry. And Diva, can you show yours? It looks so good. Diva, see how does it look? Diva, it's now your turn. Can I put it? Wow, Diva. It looks nice. This is how mine looks. And this is how Diva looks. So, hope you like this video.